Welcome back to MyLife Financial. I'm Jared, and I got another video here. I just had a conversation with somebody that is turning 65 here pretty quick and needs to apply for Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B. Now I'm going to share with you the couple options on how to do this, and I'm going to give you a visual of how to do it on the website with SSA.gov. Before I share that, I'm going to tell you, you can also call your local Social Security office and schedule an appointment to meet with them in person if you would like to. You can bring in your documents, your paperwork, but make sure you call them and schedule an appointment. You cannot just walk into the Social Security office in today's world because they're busy and they're backed up. So make sure you call and schedule an appointment. If you are tech savvy or you have somebody that is tech savvy that can help you, one of the easiest ways that we are finding is to go to SSA.gov, which is the Social Security Administrative website. And you can go on there and apply for your Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B. So I'm going to share that with you here. So you literally type in Google or wherever you work, SSA.gov, hit enter. It's this United States Social Security Administration website. This is what it's going to look like. Right here in the middle, right at this top bar, it says Social Security benefits, Medicare, card and record. Click on this Medicare. There's plan for Medicare or sign up for Medicare. Click on the sign up for Medicare. You're going to scroll down and see this button right here where it says apply online. Click on that. It's going to take you to a new window. Now this right here is saying apply for benefits. You can read through this, but what you really need to do is you need to check this yellow box and it says, I understand and agree to the above statement. Go ahead and read that statement if you'd like. For sake of time, I'm not going to. Hit next. Then it's going to come here. This is where some people get a little bit confused. See where it says apply and complete? Start a new application. Or if you've already gone in here, you can return to a saved application. But if you're brand new, turning 65, going to sign up and you don't have an SSA.gov account, this is where you need to go. So you click start a new application and then click I am applying for myself. Even if you got a family member helping you, they're helping you for yourself. So still click I am applying for myself. If somebody has power of attorney and doing it for someone, I am helping someone who is not with me and therefore cannot sign the application at this time. So maybe it's somebody that you got to do everything for and you're not with, choose that option. But if you're sitting right there together, just click I am applying for myself. Do you have a My Social Security account? If you do, click yes. If you don't, click no. And then do you have an address in the United States? Yes. And then hit next. Then it's going to bring you to this window. I've always worked with people and helped people where we use this login.gov. That's always been the best option. I don't know much about this ID.me. Maybe you could do some research on it. I've always just used the login.gov. So you'll click that. Okay. If it says right here, it says sign in. Sign in for existing users. Email address, password, hit submit. If you don't have an account, you need to change it over here. It says create an account. Then you're going to go through here and put your email address in here. Put your email, click on English or whatever, click this button and then hit submit. And then it's going to carry on from there. I can't go any further on this because I'm not applying for myself. I'm not old enough yet and I don't want to show someone else's that I've helped their personal information. Therefore, you just need to go through here. It's going to ask for your email. It may send you a confirmation code to your email. You're going to need to create a password. Anything you create, make sure you write it down. Have a pen and paper right there with you. Write down the email you use. Write down your password. Write down everything that you do. Once it does create, it's going to send you back to the sign-in page. Then you're going to put in your email address and your password. It's going to ask for your Social Security number, your address, phone numbers, emails, everything along those lines. So make sure you have those available. Create that account. Then you got to go into the site there and click on apply for Medicare. There's a button in there that says apply for Medicare. So make sure you go in. But this is how you get into an SSA.gov account. If you need help with this, we're available. We can help you over the phone or even do like a video screen share. Or if you're local right here, you're welcome to come in our office. We'll help you any way that we can. A lot of times we'll just bite the bullet and also do it through a call to the Social Security office and just wait on hold and do those things. So you can either call the phone number and talk with the Social Security office or apply online. But this is hopefully helpful information for you guys to get applied for your Medicare Part A and your Medicare Part B. And then go watch our other videos to explain how Medicare A and Medicare B works and your options above and beyond that. So thank you for watching this. If you have questions, please give us a call, 435-557-3170. Watch our other videos, and anything we can do to help, we'd love the opportunity. Have a great day.